Okay, we got our head all sanded down. Got everything hooked up back here that we needed. So we sanded it all down real good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to seal it, and we'll cover these holes here. We also have a pair of hands that we made, and you can see how I make these on my videos. That says hands and feet, so you can do that. You can go to there to see how those are made. So we're going to cover the mouth and the head, and we're going to use wood filler, and I added a little bit of water to it to make it more runny so it will spread better. So you make it a little more pasty, then it'll you'll cover the head a lot better with that. First thing you want to do is you want to take a damp cloth and you want to wipe everything off. You want to get all that sawdust off of there that you got on there from all that sanding and stuff. So you want to get that off of there first by wiping it down, and then we're just going to start by filling these holes here first. Well, we'll cover the entire head. I'm going to let it set for probably a day or two. See how it sets up, and then we'll sand it down. Then we'll have to go back in and touch up some spots that need to be touched up. Then we'll sand it again, and hopefully by then we'll be ready to put our base coat of paint on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Now I always start from my center and work my way out. Once I get these holes started. But this will fill in any scratches or any little nicks you got in there. This will take care of that, and it'll help to make the head a whole lot smoother. So like I say, we're going to start with the inside part. And don't worry if you get it in your cracks that you want in there, because you just use a little wood cutting tool and get them out. If you need to, you can put a little water on your finger and you can spread it up. You spread it out a little bit if you need to do that. That works pretty good also. So we're going to continue, get it all covered and let it set up to dry, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.